Hi, hello. This is a goodbye to the project Crayon Creatures service experiment that I've been running for some years, where I would turn children drawings into physical, tangible little sculptures with 3D printing, right? So here's the website. Yeah, it was this, right? You could send in a drawing and then I would model it in 3D and then send it to print. You would get this. So it was a very nice little figurines, gallery ones. These ones were the pilot. No, that was the first one I did. They were from my kids. These ones were in the Science Museum, London. That's like the 3D that I would create and send to print. Okay, here there's a video of the making of. So it was a very crafty, handmade, digitally thing. Pixel select the shape of inflate and create this 3D fine tuning and preparing the file for 3D printing. A consistent thickness, shapes connected, and also I would somehow enhance the shapes. That was the process. And then this was sent to a 3D printing provider, in this case was Shapeways, which they had like different production centers. So, and if you're in Europe, it was produced in the Netherlands. That's it. That's how it is, how it was. Well, thank you very much to the people that participated in this, all the orders that had. It was a nice project that people liked. So I'm closing it. Not because people like it, but because I'm doing something else. Thank you very much for everybody all the time and support.